This is our reducer that we're going to put on the end of the intake. As you can see, it's pretty thick wall tube, definitely a heavy piece, stainless steel 304, but a little bit too thick. It actually won't fit through the hole in the frame here. Of course, it's going to go through this side here, but I got some stuff here I need to take out of there, so I was just using that other side for now. So what I've done, I've put a couple of expansion plugs, one on each side, in this with a bolt through it, a wing nut, just to hold it solid. And what I'm going to do, since I don't have a lathe, you can kind of see some shiny marks already. I've just put it in my drill press and then I'm grinding it down with it rotating. So we'll continue working it down until it actually fits in the hole like it should. So we got plenty of meat on this thing. Should work out just fine. You know what I just thought of? Maybe this ain't a good idea to show the viewers. What if they try this and get hurt? Then it's like, well, that dumbass was doing it, damn redneck.
All you do is your own risk or whatever. Don't try
like everybody else does it? Don't try this at home. Redneck ingenuity.
Professional only.
Professional redneck only? Oh my god. I'm going to leave it turned off. Redneck ingenuity at its best here. And that's about where we need it. I guess I'll just kind of round it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, so that's the reducer in the frame, and then we're welding it onto the merge collector, or we're gonna tack it onto the merge collector.